Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 19th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here we opened near support in yesterday's session just over that 119. Tested that 119 support level and then we rallied and we were strong pretty much most of the day. We just trended up after the pullback, broke through, and then ran up into the high resistance right around that 123.70 area. So we've been in this channel now for about 5 sessions. Starting to look a little bit more like consolidation. I'm really just going to give it maybe today to try to break through this 119, and then I'm going to start to really look for consolidating stocks that could break out over 124 for long swing positions. So just keep an eye on that. We should have started to correct down into this area if we were going to have a pullback. So this is not looking good for the shorts, and this is looking better for the longs over that 124. I still think we have another day or two of consolidation. So today we may pull back into this 120, maybe even 119 again. Look for another bounce off of that. If we do break this 119, there could be some really good trades to the short side. So just be prepared for that. You want to be able to react to what's happening, not predict it. So watch it if it does pull back into 119 area. If we get the bounce, then it's possible that the longs would be better and just stay in this consolidation range until we break over 124. So let's go look at today's trades. First we're looking at CRI. You can see been consolidating just under the resistance level here for the last 7 or 8 sessions. We have high resistance right around 35.30. So right in there. I'm going to look to take this long over 35.37. First profit target is going to be 35.72. Second profit target is going to be 36 area right in there. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece possibly into 36.50. Next is DLTR. Again, this is another stock that's been consolidating over the last several sessions, just under resistance level here. Got this high resistance right around 81.20, and it's been in this channel. So you can see that right here, trading in this channel. Look for a breakout over this mark here. Going to take this long over 81.26. First profit target is going to be around 82. Second profit target is going to be 82.85. So right about there. And then I would trail a stop, see if you can push through 83 and try for 84 with your last piece of that trade. And next we have DUK. You can see we had previous high here, pullback, a false breakout just over it, maybe a little over a week ago. And then on the pullback again, we had a higher low, which is bullish. So right here, you can see that higher low from these lows down here. We had the false breakout and we have the resistance line. So we're going to look for another break of this. Going to look to take this long over 20.33. So right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 20.53. Second profit target is going to be 20.73. And then I would trail a stop and try to get up into 21 with your last piece. Next we have QGEN. You can see the low here right around 12.47. Did break to a new low in yesterday's session. Going to look for a continuation move down. Going to take this short under 12.42. First profit target is going to be 12.30. Second profit target is going to be 12.18. So just under that 12.20. And then trail a stop on your last piece. Try to possibly come down into 12 with that trade. Now we're looking at HSP. You can see here had the big drop on news yesterday. Support's right at 29 and really could barely hold off of that 29. So a lot of times when we get a big drop like this, you usually have a second day down if it can break through that previous day's low. So I'm looking to take this short below 29. I would go in at 28.96. Right about there. First profit target is going to be 28.68. Second profit target is going to be 28.40. And then trail a stop on your last piece. See if you can come down and touch 28. Next we have SHAW, SHAW. You can see here had a double bottom off of 20.07 approximately. Right in here. Just over 20. So I'm going to look for a break below 20. Going to take this short under 19.97. First profit target is going to be 19.78. So just coming into these lows here. take your first profit target, move your stop down to protect your second half of your trade. Next profit target is going to be 1960. So just as you're coming into the lows here, take your second profit and then see if you can break through 1960. I would try for 1940, possibly 1920 on this trade. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.